Welcome to Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories. The history of humankind is intricately intertwined with the evolution of weapons, a testament to our relentless pursuit of survival and dominance. From the crudest stone tools such as hand axes and flint knives, to the most sophisticated modern weaponry like precision-guided missiles and cyber warfare tools, the desire to protect and, unfortunately, to conquer has been a driving force behind human innovation. Each major historical period has left an indelible mark on the development of weapons, reflecting not only technological progress, but also the shifting nature of warfare and its profound impact on societies. For instance, the Bronze Age saw the advent of bronze swords and spears, while the Iron Age introduced iron-tipped arrows and chariots. This essay will journey through these transformative periods, examining the key advancements and their far-reaching implications for humanity. We will explore the strategic use of the phalanx formation in ancient Greece, the Roman gladius, and the medieval longbow, each a game-changer in its own right. We begin with the earliest tools, born from the sheer necessity of survival in a harsh and unforgiving world. These rudimentary implements, like the stone hand axe, were the precursors to more complex weapons. Then we move through the Stone, Bronze and Iron Ages, each marked by revolutionary changes in material and design, heralding new eras of human capability and conflict. The Bronze Age introduced bronze-tipped spears and shields, while the Iron Age brought about the development of iron swords and armor, significantly altering the battlefield dynamics. The invention of gunpowder irrevocably altered the face of warfare, leading to a new era dominated by firearms and artillery. The Chinese were the first to use gunpowder in warfare, creating rudimentary bombs and rockets which eventually evolved into cannons and muskets in Europe, forever changing the dynamics of battle. The Industrial Revolution amplified this destructive potential with the advent of mass production and mechanized warfare, ushering in an age of unprecedented conflict and technological advancement. The Gatling gun, the first successful machine gun, and the dreadnought battleships are prime examples of this era's innovations. Finally, we arrive at the modern era, characterized by the advent of drones, artificial intelligence, and the unsettling reality of cyber warfare, where battles are fought not just on the ground, but in the digital realm. Modern conflicts now involve sophisticated technologies like unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and cyber attacks that can cripple entire nations. Through this exploration of weaponry, we will also confront a profound duality within human nature, a juxtaposition of our capacity for extraordinary ingenuity and cooperation against our propensity for conflict and violence. The same minds that create life-saving medical technology also develop weapons of mass destruction. We are capable of creating tools that propel us forward. Yet, these same tools have been turned against our own kind time and again in a tragic cycle of destruction. The atomic bomb, a pinnacle of scientific achievement, also stands as a stark reminder of our destructive potential. As we delve into the evolution of weapons, we must also reflect on this paradox and consider the legacy we are shaping for future generations, a legacy that balances innovation with ethical responsibility. The development of autonomous weapons systems raises critical ethical questions about the future of warfare. Can we harness our technological prowess for peace, or will we remain ensnared in a relentless cycle of destruction and conflict? The choice between creating tools for betterment or for destruction lies in our hands. The answer ultimately lies within us, in our collective ability to choose a path of cooperation over conflict, innovation over destruction. The future of weaponry, and indeed of humanity, hinges on the choices we make today. The future of weaponry, and indeed of humanity, hinges on the choices we make today. Before recorded history, before civilizations rose and fell, our early ancestors grappled with a world fraught with danger and uncertainty. Survival was a daily struggle, a constant negotiation with the elements and the creatures that shared their environment, from the smallest insects to the largest predators. It was in this crucible of existence, amidst the harsh and unforgiving landscapes, that the first tools, the ancestors of weapons, were born. Driven by the relentless need to hunt for sustenance and defend themselves from predators, early humans discovered the utility of simple objects found in nature, transforming them into tools of survival. The earliest tools were rudimentary, shaped by necessity rather than artistry, yet they were the first steps towards technological innovation. A heavy rock, grasped firmly in the hand, could deliver a crushing blow, serving as both a tool and a weapon. A fallen branch, stripped of its leaves and sharpened to a point, became a spear, extending the reach of a hunter or providing a means of defense against threats. These primitive implements, though simple in construction, represented a pivotal leap in human evolution, a leap that would echo through the ages. They were an extension of the body, amplifying strength and dexterity, providing the means to shape the environment to their will and secure their place within it. The development of these early tools marked a significant departure from the purely instinctive behavior of animals, showcasing the burgeoning cognitive abilities of early humans. It was a testament to their capacity for problem-solving and innovation, their ability to envision a tool and bring it into existence. The use of tools, however primitive, allowed them to exploit their environment more effectively, increasing their chances of survival in a hostile and unpredictable world. This marked the beginning of a long and complex relationship between humans and technology. A relationship that would come to define our species and shape the course of history in profound ways. From these humble beginnings, the seeds of innovation were sown, setting the stage for the development of increasingly complex and deadly weapons. Each iteration a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless drive for survival. As these tools evolved, so did the social structures of early human communities, fostering cooperation and shared knowledge, which further accelerated technological advancements. The creation of tools also paralleled the emergence of symbolic thinking, as evidenced by early human art and cave paintings, hinting at a deeper cognitive and cultural evolution. These advancements were not just practical but also spiritual, as early humans began to develop rituals and cultural practices, intertwining their technological progress with their growing sense of identity and community. As human societies grew, so did the complexity of their conflicts. Ancient warriors wielded weapons like the bronze-tipped spear and the iron sword, each a marvel of its time, designed for both offense and defense. The medieval era saw the rise of knights clad in armor, wielding swords and shields. The longsword, with its double-edged blade, became a symbol of chivalry and combat prowess. The advent of gunpowder revolutionized warfare. Early firearms and cannons changed the dynamics of battlefields, making armor obsolete and introducing a new era of ranged combat. World War I introduced trench warfare, and the widespread use of machine guns, rifles and chemical weapons, marking a grim evolution in the lethality of human conflict. World War II further advanced military technology with the introduction of tanks, aircraft and the devastating power of atomic bombs, forever altering the landscape of global warfare. In contemporary times, the development of drones, precision-guided missiles and cyber warfare capabilities represents the cutting edge of military technology, continuing the relentless march of innovation that began with those first simple tools. As we look to the future, the evolution of weapons shows no signs of slowing. Concepts like autonomous robots and energy weapons hint at a new era of warfare, where technology will play an even more dominant role in shaping human conflict and survival. The Stone Age, spanning an astonishing 2.6 million years, witnessed a remarkable flowering of human ingenuity in the realm of toolmaking, a testament to our ancestors' relentless pursuit of survival and progress. This era, aptly named for the primary material used in crafting tools and weapons, saw a gradual yet profound transition from rudimentary, expedient implements to more specialized and sophisticated designs. Stone, though challenging to work with due to its hardness and brittleness, offered a durable and readily available resource for early humans, who ingeniously exploited its potential. Through painstaking trial and error, they mastered techniques for shaping stone, transforming it into a diverse array of tools and weapons, each meticulously crafted to serve specific purposes. The hand axe, a teardrop-shaped tool with a sharpened edge, emerged as a versatile and indispensable tool during this period, showcasing the ingenuity and adaptability of early humans. It could be used for a multitude of tasks, including chopping wood, butchering animals, and of course as a formidable weapon, demonstrating its multifaceted utility. Spear points, carefully flaked to create razor-sharp edges and lethal tips, extended the reach of hunters and provided a more effective means of taking down prey from a distance. As humans migrated and encountered diverse environments and prey, they adapted their tools accordingly, showcasing their remarkable ability to innovate and thrive in varied conditions. The atlatl, a sophisticated spear-throwing device, emerged as a testament to human ingenuity, allowing for greater accuracy, force, and distance in hunting. The development of projectile weaponry, such as the bow and arrow, marked a significant leap forward in hunting and warfare during the Stone Age, enabling humans to strike from a distance with unprecedented precision and lethality. The craftsmanship involved in creating these weapons, particularly the delicate and intricate flint arrowheads, highlights the increasing skill, patience, and ingenuity of Stone Age humans. They learned to select the right types of stone, master advanced techniques for knapping and pressure flaking, and develop effective adhesives to securely attach arrowheads to shafts. The Stone Age, though often perceived as primitive, laid the essential groundwork for future technological advancements, serving as a crucial period of innovation and discovery. It was a period of immense experimentation and innovation, driven by the relentless need to survive and thrive in a challenging and ever-changing world. The tools and weapons developed during this time, though simple in comparison to later inventions, represent a profound testament to human ingenuity, adaptability, and the unyielding spirit of innovation. The skills honed and knowledge gained during this era would serve as the foundation for the technological revolutions that followed, underscoring the enduring legacy of our Stone Age ancestors. As we transitioned into the Bronze Age, the discovery and utilization of bronze revolutionized weaponry. Bronze swords, shields, and armor provided superior strength and durability compared to their stone predecessors. The Iron Age brought further advancements. Iron, being more abundant and harder than bronze, allowed for the creation of even more effective weapons and tools. Iron swords, spears, and armor became the standard for ancient armies. In medieval times, the development of steel led to the creation of iconic weapons such as the longsword, the lance, and the crossbow. Knights clad in steel armor became the epitome of medieval warfare. The advent of gunpowder in the late medieval period marked a significant shift in warfare. Early firearms, including muskets and cannons, began to dominate the battlefield, rendering traditional armor and melee weapons less effective. The 20th century saw the mechanization of warfare. World War I introduced trench warfare, machine guns, and tanks, transforming the nature of combat and leading to unprecedented levels of destruction. World War II further advanced military technology with the widespread use of automatic weapons, aircraft, and the introduction of nuclear weapons, which forever changed the landscape of global conflict. In contemporary times, warfare has become increasingly sophisticated with the development of precision-guided munitions, drones, and cyber warfare capabilities, reflecting the continuous evolution of military technology from the Stone Age to the present day. The journey from stone tools to modern weaponry underscores the relentless human drive to innovate and adapt, a testament to our enduring quest for survival and dominance in an ever-changing world. Thank you for watching Learning Life content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories.